Hi everybody, this is Mary Carroll.
Hi.
And she's a social worker with Kids First, and I am Ina Picar, and I'm also a social worker with Kids First, and we're gonna talk about snacks today.
Yep.
You know, snacks are a very important part of the day. Would you agree?
Oh, I love to snack.
Yeah, I do too. So I will try not to gross you out with different foods, but I think they're fabulous and I think they're terrific. So when it comes to snacks, I always think that vegetables is a very good thing. So I washed red pepper. I actually forgot broccoli in the fridge, so here was my cap of the red pepper. I took it off. I took out the insides, and then I like to cut them off up into long strips. But you know what? You could do whatever you want with that. So bigger, smaller, whatever it is.
Mm-hmm.
I do have my cucumber, and I love cucumbers. So a lot of people underestimate cucumbers, and you should never do that. So I cut them. You know what? We could make them fancy.
Mm-hmm.
We could make them long. How about that?
Better for dipping.
Better for dipping. So we did longer pieces of cucumbers, and you could do broccoli, you could do cauliflower, you could do beans,
Snap
green
peas.
beans. Just be creative with that. Or you could take a simple cracker and just dip that. And that is perfect hummus. So I usually put it on the plate, and here we are. Mary Carroll, you gonna try?
I would love to.
All right, let's do it.
And this is just plain hummus?
Plain hummus.
Yum.
I mean, you could do garlic, you could do whatever. I'll go for a cucumber. What are you going
I'm
for?
gonna do pepper.
All right,
Perfect.
let's do it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yay.
Perfect.
Good?
Delicious.
Mm-hmm. Go do.
I'm going for a second.
Okay. Sounds good. I will put mine here. So any vegetable with hummus is awesome and terrific. So you could go with tzatziki.
Oh,
You know what tzatziki is?
tzatziki. Yeah, that's what
I mispronounced.
No, you just
It's a Greek yogurt.
Yeah, they put it on like gyros.
Right.
I'm probably mispronouncing that one too, but yeah, a Greek dipping
Yeah,
sauce.
and you know what? It's healthy. You're not eating like this creamy. It tastes creamy, but it's absolutely outstanding. So please keep that in mind as well. I will tell you my favorite one. How about if you take a cracker?
Okay.
Oh, I forgot honey.
I can go grab it. Is it in the
It
kitchen?
should be in the bag. I just like it over there. Thank you so much, Mary Carroll. You see, every time I forget something. While Mary Carroll is getting honey, I also want to tell you not to forget about yogurts. I mean, I bought weird yogurt, but I love weird stuff like that. I bought goat milk and sheep milk.
Yeah, I don't eat that kind of yogurt,
But
but
you
I
don't
have
have to.
tried Greek. I tried Greek, and I would buy plain Greek, and then I'd put my own honey in,
Perfect.
and that I think is a good compromise if you're not
Perfect.
feeling as brave.
Yes. So what my suggestion is, not just suggestion, but like a plea to all of you, because so many of you buy sweetened yogurts and they have so much garbage in them and so much sugar, you don't know what they put, and cornstarch and all kinds of stuff, and you don't need that in your diet. So get plain yogurt, whatever you like, plain, no sugar, just plain. And then you could add to it nuts. You see, I buy ridiculous quantities of nuts, walnuts or cashews or whatever you like. You sprinkle that. You could drizzle with honey. You could put strawberry jam. You could do whatever, but at least you could measure and you know what you're putting where. So that is always a great snack and great suggestion. Here is one of my favorite snacks. So you get a cracker. Oh yeah, I gave it to you. Perfect. And you know what? It's probably best with mascarpone cheese or ricotta cheese. Sorry, I will spread it.
That's the kind of cheese that's in like what is the Italian lasagna, right? Isn't
Yes.
that cheese in lasagna?
But hold on, don't eat it yet. So then you put And mascarpone is spectacular. It just, they didn't have.
And sometimes you can find it in not the cheese section, but like the deli section in the grocery store. Sometimes that's where I find mascarpone cheese.
Yeah, and they do a good job with that. So I ended up buying raw honey, so it's hard. I should have brought the honey, which is, you know, you could just squish the bottle and it comes out, but you know what? Honey is honey.
Yep.
And you put it on top. And I'll give you more honey. And then, so whatever, you can put more honey. Whatever honey you like.
Perfect.
Done. And then you put raspberries on top.
Ooh.
And that makes it so pretty. Can I put them?
Yeah, I don't mind doing it.
Okay.
Perfect. Like that?
Yes.
Fun. Oh no. That
It's
one.
escaped. It's okay. Okay, take a bite.
Okay. Oh, that's really good.
Isn't it so good?
Oh,
Yeah, told you.
oh, that's really good.
Yeah, so that is a perfect snack and it's easy to keep in fridge. You could bring it to work, you could keep it at home, or like again, it's ricotta cheese or mascarpone cheese. You know, a lot of people will say I would rather use cream cheese. You can, but it's not as healthy. So, but if you absolutely feel like cream cheese, go
How do you feel
for
about
it.
cottage cheese? Does that fall into the same category
I don't
too?
think so.
No,
not as
it wouldn't
much.
be as
I mean,
good.
ricotta is more
It's better.
creamy and good. So another thing you could do is, here is my avocado, and I love avocados. So you could do a cracker, any cracker, and this is what it.
Oh, it did pit though.
Perfect.
Good job.
Be careful, don't do that so you don't cut yourself. But here is another cracker for you, Mary Carol.
Okay. Perfect.
All right. So I'll scoop some avocado for you.
Perfect.
And we could drizzle with
I'll put it down for you.
we could drizzle with olive oil. And here
Oh.
is a perfect cheese.
What
And
kind
I
of
like
cheese
to
is that?
usually buy, oh God,
You're not sure.
I don't remember. I like,
What's it similar to? Is it kind of like Parmesan, sort of?
no, Parmesan is always good, but, oh my God, it got out of my head. I will
It'll
need
come to
to,
you.
yeah, we could post
We'll
it.
put it in the comments.
Yeah, we'll put it in comments. Grab a piece of cheese.
Okay. And then put it on top and eat?
Yep.
Okay. Here we go. This one's a little bit messier because avocados always slide.
Go for it. Isn't it good? So again, it's healthy, good, and so the reason I'm giving you these options is because it's quick, it's healthy, it's good, and you know what? When you eat good, you feel good about yourself. You feel like you're taking care of yourself, and that's what we want people to do, and that's why
And it's
we're
filling
doing
too.
this.
It's not just, you're not
Absolutely.
just eating twigs. You know, you have a cracker, you have avocado, super filling, you put some cheese on that.
Yeah, and you go from there. And then I brought fruits. You know, go for fruits you don't usually buy all the time. Like, look at this beautiful pear. I mean, go for pear. Piece of pear. Go ahead.
Okay.
Go for kiwi.
Some people may not know how to eat kiwi. How do you do it?
I did it alongside, but you could do it. I just cut it in half, but I would do
Use it like
it
a bowl.
like that and scoop it.
Oh, cool.
Go for it, Mary Carol.
Thank you. Kiwis are so good.
And nuts. Buy them raw, don't get them salty. I mean, if you absolutely love them salty, you can, but I just feel like it ruins the nut if you just put a lot of stuff which is not good for you. So any nuts, walnuts, almonds, cashews, and I don't know,
What is it?
it's a fig.
They look scary.
Are you brave enough?
Yeah, I'll try
Go
it.
for it.
Okay.
It's really good for you, and
Super
when you
good.
eat it with a nut, take a cashew.
Okay.
It's terrific.
Okay.
Go for it.
No, it is good.
It is good, right?
They look kind of scary, but it's good.
Yeah, but thank you. Thank you
Mhm.
for being adventurous. So
Mhm.
again, your snacks could be yogurt, cheese, little cracker with some ricotta or mascarpone cheese, some honey, and fresh fruit, nuts, avocados. They're
Mhm.
always fabulous. Mix it up, enjoy, have fun, and take care of yourself. And yeah, this is Mary Carol and Nina from Kids First and from Kids First Adoption Services. And if you want us to make certain things, just
Let us know. Yeah, you
Yeah.
can put something in the comments, or you can email us. We have we also have a anonymous phone line that you can ask questions. We are an adoption agency, so sometimes there's a lot of questions around that, and you get nervous and you don't want people to know that you're thinking about adoption because maybe you're not ready to have that conversation with people in public. But we have an anonymous hotline that you can call and ask questions all the time.
and you don't even have to give us your name.
Nope.
I mean, people call and ask questions,
Mm-hmm.
not just about adoption, but what to do in certain situation after adoption, or anyway, we get
Exactly.
all kinds of questions. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening. Eat healthy and don't forget about snacks.
And be brave.
Yep. Bye.
Bye.